6 then, so we've got a line drawn on a grid. I'm just going to zoom this in slightly. That's a bit better. It's a bit blurry now, but it's a bit clearer where the numbers intercept on the graph. So find an equation for L. Well, remember that our equation is given by this formula, y is equal to mx plus c. M's the gradient, c is the intercept of the y-axis. Well, that's really easy to find because it intercepts the y-axis at positive 3 there. So we've already done that part. Easy. The next part we need to find is the gradient. Well, one of the ways that we can do this is if we start looking at a triangle and then we also draw up here. Well, we've gone from 3 up to 6 there, so we've gone up 3 squares, and we've gone from 0 on our x-axis over to 2, so we've gone across 2 squares. That means our gradient, so m, which is gradient, is equal to the change in y over the change in x. So you can write change like that, change in y over the change in x. Well, change in y here is 3 over the change in x, which is 2, so 3 over 2. If I write that there, that is perfectly okay for that answer. Y is equal to 3 over 2, lots of x plus 3. That's the equation for that graph. So M is a different straight line with an equation y is equal to 5x. Write down the equation of a straight line parallel to M. Well, parallel effectively means that the line has the same gradient. So they're giving us a really big clue there with telling us that it's 5x. So we could write down any figure here. So let's just go plus 2. We could write down negative 10, whatever. They'll still be parallel because they have the same gradient. They would just obviously intersect our graph at different points.